lines, which I think could help in reevaluating legal education in India. I take Mr. KRISHNAKUMAR's point that we really need to infuse education with a sense of morals and ethics and the right sense of values for a professional entering the system. I think Chitra brought about the point of widening horizons. People have to think beyond practice and maybe corporate law firms and think in terms of justice delivery. What are the different avenues? The system provides them, but are our young students thinking about them? I think it's a big message for the students in the audience today. Justice KIRUBAKARAN's very heartfelt points about streamlining the process of admission, having the right people get into the system for the right reasons. I think that was a point very well taken. The restrictions, unnecessary restrictions, many would say, on the colleges and institutions is a point which, if there are anybody in the audience, if they're in a regulatory position, this is a very good point to take heed of. And finally, I think we absolutely have to relook at the kind of salaries and compensation we pay to our professors and the people who dispense education and dispense knowledge. So thank you very much, panelists. I think you were fantastic. It was a privilege to have all of you on the panel. And Justice KIRUBAKARAN, I think we are running out of time, but maybe a few seconds.
I think this legal profession is the only profession which has been recognized by our constitution. You can see that. The Supreme Court judges, High Court judges, the lower court judiciary, Attorney General, Advocate General, they are all lawyers. And no other profession has been recognized by the Constitution of India itself. So legal profession is very important, and you are also going to become part of it. And we wish you all the best, and you should also be very successful in profession. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I think, we have had a very interesting panel. I'm sure all of you have taken away some important lessons, important messages from this panel. The panelists, I'm sure, will be here after the discussion as well if you want to engage with them offline. And thank you to the audience. I think you were great. Thanks once again.